Hi there, everybody. Welcome back. This is Marybeth Angelelli. Wanted to come in here today and share with you more continued information on the Infinity Processing System, which I absolutely love. A great system that has been going strong now since the very beginning of March, which I have been participating in. I've had great success with Infinity Processing System, and it's not only helped to enhance and strengthen my skill set and enabling me to increase my value and worth in the marketplace, but it's doing so many wonderful things for so many new members. We have complete newbies who have been struggling online for quite some time. They've come into this amazing opportunity, especially at the pro level, and they decided to take action. Enough was enough. They were just sick and tired of being sick and tired, and they went into this training and decided to take massive action, become a master over these strategies, learning new skill sets with a willingness, and then take what they have learned, go out into the marketplace, apply and implement, and start to see results and make money. Many for the very first time. This stuff, folks, is very, very powerful, but yet it's very simple. This program was actually designed and created and centered around the newbie marketer to really help the person who has made a decision to come online and wanting a better way, a better life, wanting to earn extra additional income online. Now, in order to do that, it really is not difficult, but you do have to acquire a skill set, and you do have to have an understanding and of what it takes to be successful, and you have to learn simple basic strategies first and foremost. Okay, inside of this pro level, this is going to teach you all about social media marketing, all about attraction marketing, how to build funnels, how to build lists, how to follow up, really the most essential, vital skill set that you need to win and succeed online. It's also going to be a combination of personal development as well as skill set, because the two really do go hand in hand. Both, in my opinion, are equally important. Okay, you have to have the willingness and the motivation and the desire to show up every single day and always be willing to learn new things and then go out and take them into the marketplace, apply and implement, and just continue onward and upward. And certainly you have to commit and really be consistent. I would say, to really acquire like a full-time income, you really have to be showing up, I would say, 5 days a week, really for the best results, especially in the beginning. Okay. Yeah, everybody, wants to take their weekends off, and you can absolutely do that, but you have to be willing to put, roll up your sleeves, so to speak, and be willing to grind in the early days and just, do whatever it takes to learn new skills. And everything is here, folks, for you to be able to have that competitive advantage in the marketplace. This is going to help you to brand yourself. It's going to help you to position yourself, with influence as a leader in the industry. And what is here, folks, is really easy to follow and navigate. And it's going to really allow you to do something that's very, very important, which is building know, like, and trust amongst the eyes of your prospects, in the eyes of your prospects, okay? You want to learn these invaluable skills, folks. They're here for you to learn and become a master marketer by acquiring these new skill sets, okay? If you want to learn how to create funnels, you can do that, folks. Exactly what to say to prospects and leads when they ask you for information. This is huge, folks. There's winning mindset. There's art of persuasion and influence. They even give you all the pre-written ads, 200 pre-written ads plus 60 bonus image ads. There's even a complete day-by-day, step-by-step, 7-day action plan for success. You can learn, again, this is all attraction marketing, folks, at its finest. Facebook marketing mastery, Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube marketing. I touched on that in my most recent previous video. There's TikTok marketing, how to automate your business with the six-figure system. This gives you a complete follow-up email series that you can connect your capture page with your sales page and your autoresponder. And I highly encourage you to seek out and acquire an autoresponder, especially if you want to build this successfully, not only short term, but long term. I mean, there's Aweber, there's GetResponse. They both work very, very well with the system because they're going to give you a 30-day follow-up email series. All of the training is going to show you and teach you with your funnel how to build your list, where the money is located. And this automation follow-up series is going to be where the fortune is, okay? Money's in the list, fortune's in the follow-up. Exactly how to follow up, what to do, how to upload your follow-ups, they're all here provided for you to access, and they're all pre-written. There's wonderful bonuses, and if you partner up with me at the pro level, $300 level, I have my own unique bonuses to really help you out. So definitely connect up with me on those, and I will send those your way when you join, okay? My last video, folks, had the YouTube automation. Now, what I love about this is it really helps people who are visual learners, because not only does it give you instructions, but it shows you how to do this. Over-the-shoulder training, step by step, easy to follow, easy to navigate, tutorials, video training tutorials, step by step, okay? So I'm going to just show you what this looks like briefly, okay? Then I'm going to take you inside of one of our Facebook groups, the coaching group today, all right? You're definitely going to want to join that when you join. And here is TikTok marketing. This is what it looks like, folks. Okay, so you go here. For example, you want to learn TikTok marketing, which is really, really hot. Okay, and you can create and upload short videos to TikTok for free. Okay, so if you're someone who doesn't have a whole lot of resources, perhaps you're on a shoestring budget getting started, that's fine. We all start somewhere, folks. We all have to start somewhere. So these are going to be great skills to be able to learn. Yeah, you're going to have to invest some time in yourself to learn this, folks, but I promise you it's going to be so well worth it. See, it's broken down into short, simple tutorials, okay? What is TikTok and why should you care? Here's video number 1, the introduction. Here's how to get started with TikTok, getting started video. And see, these are like 7 minutes long, folks. And if you need to go back, especially if you're new, you can go back, you can rewind these, you can pause them, you can replay them. They're going to be accessible to you in your membership back office 24/7, okay? 365, all right? Creating content on TikTok, okay, seven minutes. How to use TikTok hashtags. I mean, this is some really great value stuff, folks. It's really, really just jam-packed with tons of value, okay? And you're getting everything for only $300. No monthly fees ever, okay? A one-time $25 admin fee, no monthly fees ever. TikTok hashtags, how to use them. Bonus training, how to find winning hashtags, okay, for TikTok. All right, really, really great stuff, folks. Really great stuff. More bonus training. See the value here, folks? How to use your creativity with TikTok. I mean, this is huge. This is going to show you how to create content, and content is king. Once you understand, folks, attraction marketing, how to brand yourself, all that good stuff, folks, you know, you can really go out there and have success, not only with IPS, but any home-based business, online home-based business, now in 2021 and beyond as we enter into a new year sooner than what we realize, 2022, okay? So we've got this, marketing strategies for TikTok, folks. This is huge. You know, these are like short videos, step by step. They literally walk you through and they show you exactly how to do this. So, you know, you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about going on information overload. Just show up every day, do what you can, be consistent, okay? Take this all at your own pace. Don't go on information overload, and then just go out there and apply and implement. I recommend, you know, especially if you're new or newer, to really just dive into one method and one strategy first and foremost. Then go out there, apply and implement it, and start to drive traffic and generate leads. This is going to help you to build your list. It's going to help you to build your brand, build your following, and build that all-important know, like, and trust. People are going to see you. They're going to realize that you know what you're talking about, especially once you learn some new skill sets, folks. It's going to, you know, just skyrocket your confidence, and you're going to want to be showing up, especially once you start to earn with this amazing, amazing system. Okay, and there is my kitty cat. So I'm going to go ahead and just take him out so that I can finish up on this video for you today. Okay, so we've got marketing with the TikTok. Okay, ads. So this shows you exactly how to do all this, folks. The strategies, the marketing strategies, marketing with TikTok, TikTok ads, TikTok analytics. It's really a complete TikTok training from A to Z, okay? There's a lot of stuff here, folks. Like I say, don't become intimidated. Don't let this, overwhelm you. Just do what you can every single day and take this at your own pace and then go out there and start to apply and implement. And you are going to start to generate leads. These leads are going to come onto your email list. They're going to get your follow-up emails. You're going to be appealing to a percentage of your subscribers. And over time, folks, you're going to be able to take a percentage of these subscribers and convert them from subscribers onto your list, okay? And then you're going to convert them into paid signups. You're going to start being able to earn with IPS. And then this is going to open up a lot of doors for you, a lot of opportunities and possibilities, because once you become a master marketer, folks, you can literally go out and join any program and start to hit the ground running and start to make money in a relatively short amount of time. So that's some of the biggest benefits and takeaways of this training. TikTok best practices. And then here's the conclusion. So here's 11 videos, step by step, literally showing you the entire process from A to Z, how to be successful online as a marketer using attraction marketing and these wonderful current methods that are working currently now in 2021. That's what I love about this, folks. It's great training. It was created by a multiple six-figure income earner, Adriana Villegas, and she put together, some of the best, finest training that you can access in today's marketplace for only $300 one time, folks. Okay, plus a small admin fee of only $25. So everything is here, folks. My last video showcased how to do YouTube automation. As you see, this is the way it's designed. This is the way it's set up. That's why I wanted to just bring it in here real quick and just show you what the training is like. Step-by-step video training tutorials broken down into small chunks so that you can easily learn and master what you need to be successful, okay? So I'm going to bring you inside of our Facebook group before I close out. And we have some amazing Facebook groups, folks, too, by the way. All right. This is our Infinity Processing System coaching group. We have a coaching group. We've got a proof group. All right. This is where we welcome our new team members, folks, all week long. Okay. And we have ongoing training to give you more information, more knowledge to help to further enhance your skill set. As you can see, folks, here was one of those, how to increase your sales by 20% with any business opportunity using the secret tool. So once you become a paid member, you'll have access into this group and you're going to be able to tap into this additional continued value-based training. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you. Let's go and show you some recent people. This is where we welcome our new people, folks. As you can see, new people are coming into this group. They're being welcomed every single day of the week. It's absolutely awesome. Okay, we've got a great culture here, great support, great community. Absolutely love it. And there's one of my new members that I just welcomed a day or so ago, John. Okay, he joined at the pro level. He quickly seen the value. He decided to come all in, and then this qualifies him to earn on the $50 level and the $150 level, the basic and the elite, as well as the pro, of course. And he's going to get all this extra training, okay, to really help him to take his game to the next level. And as you can see, folks, people are joining at all different levels. I tell you, just get in where you fit in, okay? And you can always upgrade. Remember, within 30 days, you can upgrade to the next level and only pay the difference. So for example, if you're not able to do the pro right away, no worries. Come in where you can. Start learning some skills. Start acquiring some knowledge, folks, and then just go out and make things happen. Remember, nothing happens until you decide to step out, take a leap of faith, and take action. All right? So we're going to come down here as you see new members coming in, all week long. All right? These are members who have actually joined. There's another one of my new members right there, Selena. And as you see, folks, new members are coming in, and they're coming in every single day. So hopefully this has inspired you. I've hopefully given you some great takeaways here, what's possible, all the great value once you get started, and then you're going to be able to go out there and literally start to write your own paycheck and create your own economy. I don't know about you, but things out there seem to be getting crazy. Well, still a lot of uncertainty. So there's no better way than to secure your future, perhaps with a side hustle. And something like this can even help you if you decide you want to go full time in the future. Okay, especially if you're pro level, and then once you learn the skills, you can go out there and you can add additional streams, and then this is going to help you to build a long-term sustainable income through multiple streams of income. As you see, folks, it's the real deal. People are coming in and absolutely loving this. It's been going strong, folks, since early March. Here we are, fast forward, we're almost into October of 2021. So below is the link to the description to my website. I have everything here. You'll be able to go in there and review everything for yourself firsthand. Okay, go to yoursuccessblueprint.net. Go ahead and check that out, yoursuccessblueprint.net. You'll find my contact information. You want to connect with me on Facebook, you'll be given a link on my sales page to connect on Facebook. And if you want to text me or call me, if you're serious about this, then I do encourage you to do that. Take the next step. Let's connect. Let's talk. And I'm here to help you to get started. If you're ready to go, folks, you know what to do. yoursuccessblueprint.net. And I'll see you hopefully soon inside of our coaching group and inside of our Facebook proof group. Thank you so much. See you soon on another IPS video. Bye-bye.